Growing a website doesn't have to feel overwhelming, especially for seniors who want simple, stress-free ways to bring in more visitors. Many seniors in Canada and around the world are looking for extra income just to survive, and building a website can be a great way to achieve that. Fortunately, you can attract free website traffic without complicated tools or advanced tech skills. By implementing a few beginner-friendly strategies, you can start seeing results. Free traffic is essential for seniors, as it helps them share knowledge, promote hobbies, earn extra income, and build small online businesses. Without traffic, even the best websites remain invisible. Simple SEO techniques can significantly improve your visibility online. By using clear titles, adding keywords naturally, and organizing your content effectively, you can increase your chances of being found by search engines. Facebook groups are another effective way to share your content and connect with others. Joining niche-related groups and participating actively can enhance your credibility and draw visitors to your website. Pinterest is also an excellent platform for seniors because it's visual and can provide long-term traffic. By creating simple pins and linking them back to your blog, you can keep attracting visitors over time. Writing helpful how-to articles is another strategy that can bring in search traffic. People frequently search for solutions online, so addressing their questions can yield great results. Finally, consider using YouTube to drive traffic without appearing on camera. Simple video formats like slideshows or voice-only tutorials can engage viewers effectively. By reusing your content across different platforms, you can multiply your reach without extra effort. Remember, growing your website is about consistency. With patience and clear communication, you can achieve your goals.